In today's video, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about tangent lines. So if we have a problem like this that says AB is tangent to circle D, what is the length of line DB? So here's our circle D, it's called D, and we have a radius here of 6, and this is a tangent line, AB. So let's talk about tangent lines first. Since this problem tells us that this is a tangent line, since AB is tangent to circle D, then AB is perpendicular to AD. So that means this line and this line are perpendicular. Or another way to say it is this angle is 90 degrees. Okay, exactly 90 degrees. So triangle ABC is a right triangle with the hypotenuse DB. So here's our 90-degree angle. This tells us 90 degrees. And it's a right triangle, and the hypotenuse is DB. So now, because this is a right triangle, we can use Pythagorean theorem to solve for DB because we have these lengths here. And then we can use my favorite theorem, Pythagorean theorem, to solve for dB. So Pythagoras' theorem says AD squared plus AB squared equals DB squared. So this squared plus this squared is going to equal this squared, okay? So we can plug in AD equals 6 and AB equals 8, okay? Because we have those dimensions. So here we have 6 squared plus 8 squared equals dB squared. Now we do take our square of each of these numbers. So 6 squared becomes 36, 8 squared becomes 64. Then we can add those two together and we get 100 equals dB squared. So now we can take the square root of both sides, okay? And then we're left with 10 equals dB. So dB equals 10 meters, okay? And that's it. That's all you need to know on how to do that problem. And don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could rewatch the video as well. Take a look at the description. There's a link there to my ebook. You could download it. In the ebook, you'll find a link to this very lesson. You can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, in the description, I have links to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar. You could check those out if you need extra help. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.